Okay, today's tips are how to edit conduit efficiently, like a pro. All right. So what we have here, we have, let's say this condition here where you've got multiple rows and columns of conduit, and you want to basically trim all those up. Okay. Now, the problem is that if you come in here and you say, okay, hey, I'm going to do this one, you can get the top level, but how are you going to get the bottom level or the other 5 levels? So a method that I've been using is that I'll bring over one conduit, and then I will go to annotate detail line, and then I'll go to modify multiple extents, bring it over, and I'll do it again. I'll use my keyboard shortcuts now. And so now that I've got them together like this, what you can do is when you start filleting the corners, as you can see here, I can work my way down the conduits. Okay, so now I'm going down 5 levels here. All right, so it's a pretty efficient way of doing this. All right, okay, and so it's pretty quick. Next, let's say you have the same condition here where these are both on the same level, but you got to get them connected. Of course, again, they're 5 levels deep. How do you do that? The way you could do it here is sort of the same thing. And what we're going to do, get a section cut. All right, and do draw a line. Do the 45. I mean, I pick 45. You don't have to do so just something. All right, and then do the zoom extents. Oops. And okay, delete the line, go back to your level here, and then as you can see here now I can just trim or fillet your one level at a time and get everything to kind of match. Okay, and now we got everything joined. Okay, everything's joined there. Now what happens if there are different levels here? How do you do that? Pretty much do the same thing, except what we're going to do a little different is, come on. Okay, so first thing we do is copy some conduit down, and we're going to draw a line just like we did before, and we're going to make it as short as possible. Actually, I would just do it like that. Then we'll select the line. Oops. Try that again. All right, select this line. The reason you want to do it pretty small is because the slope is not that sharp. It's not that, there's not much difference between the different levels. All right, and so you'll see in a second here. So 45 degrees. Do the same thing. Okay. All right. Okay, delete the line. So now we'll go to the section cut here, and we'll pick an angle. We'll say 30 degrees. Okay, and now, so as you can see here, I can, it's probably better to pick this other end of the pipe here. As you can see here, now I can fill it. Picks the next pipe. Okay, almost done here this side. Okay, and now we do the same thing for this side. And as you can see here, everything's connected together. You know, I know some people say, hey, you could do parallel, but you have to delete everything and do one conduit. Sometimes, you know, it would probably take longer to do that. So you have to make your best judgment there. But if you got everything, and let's say these had a bunch of branches, and you really couldn't do the parallel, you know, this is a method that I would use. All right. So let's see, go back to plan level here, and this right here, I'll tell you what, this, as you can see here, this is offset, and then this is a kick 90 here. So let's say we had to edit those for some reason. Okay, I come up here, and let's say right now the slope of the pipe. Now if you don't know how to change the slope of the pipe or change it to show the slope, what you do is you go to project units, go to angle, and you can change it to degrees, decimal degrees, 2 units. All right. So let's say I can delete that. Let's say right now we have it at 15. Let's say I want to go to 30 degrees. I can delete that fitting right there, select it. As you see, I can't click on it. But if you click on this little toggle reference there, now I can select it. So now I can go 30 degrees. Okay. And then I can, I got to a little farther down. Then now I can change it to a 30-degree slope. Okay. Yeah, I picked too close. So same thing goes with you know, this kick 90 here. As you can see here is a 15. Let's say I want to change that to a 30-degree. All you have to do is delete the fitting, click on the pipe, and as you say, I can't do anything there. Flip it, change that to 30 degrees. Oops. Come on. There we go. All right, change it to 30 degrees, and now select it high, select it low there, and then boom. And now we have a 30 degrees. Okay. So let's say you want to do a kick 90 here, and let's say we need to get these 2 pipes. There are 2 different levels, and let's say I want to create a kick 90. Quick way to do it: bring your pipe down. This pipe's higher than this one. All right. So I'm going to select that one, and make sure you're on slope. Okay. Pick that pipe, change that to say 15 degrees is what I'm looking for. Then I'm going to basically fill it these, and as you can see here, boom, I got a kick 90. All right. Okay guys, until next time.